I am receiving a lot of mails, WhatsApp messages, and phone inquiries from my retirees friends regarding the pension of those who retired on 30th November and thereafter. Because this bipartite will be applicable to those who retired on 30th November 2017 and thereafter. Their pension is likely to be reduced on account of this bipartite, signed on 11th November 2020 after a prolonged discussion of 3 years and 10 days. The achievements are that our service staff is getting basic salary of 14,500 and clerical staff is getting basic salary of 17,900, which is less than the salary of a sub staff in government of India, which is 18,000 for the sub staff. All the unions of United Forum of Bank Union drilled the pension updation issue, and because the finance minister twice spoke about this, and on the 43rd AGM of IBA, she gave clear cut instructions to IBA that retirees should not be treated as a less important person than the customer. They should be treated at par with that, and they should be treated as a family member, and their pension updation is justified and it should be recommended as pension updation existed in Reserve Bank of India. Despite clear instructions, IBA and the leaders of United Forum of Bank Union are suggesting other formulas which cannot be approved by finance department because a uniformity is required in the entire financial sector. There is no need of any queries report or just telling that pension fund is strong or weak, because pension fund as of 31st March 2020 was in comfortable position for all banks. None of the bank told this in their balance sheet that there is any issue regarding pension fund. After paying the pension, about 5,500 crores were surplus in the pension fund. And while updating it on RBI lines, the estimated expenditure will be about 4,800 crores. So it can be managed within that without any extra funding by the banks, because pension funds are very strong to bear this load. We request the IBA CEO and the chairman that they should, without discussing anybody, particularly United Forum leaders or anybody from the retirees union, it should be recommended to the government of India that we agree to pay the pension as paid by RBI. And it is also mentioned in the settlement of 29th October 93 and in our pension rules also. Regulation 56 also confirms it, that whatever is payable in RBI will be paid, and what are the rules of the Central Civil Pension rules 1972 are applicable to the bank retirees. So the clear demand is that IBA should recommend same pension updation as pension has been updated by Government of India in RBI, or recently NABARD has followed the same. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.